boom. That's all. So now we already talked about three root sound, which are very important. Okay, three root sound, and those are ah, ha, ah. Okay, hmm? That's it. Those are the main three sounds. That all the other sound in Tibetan language can come under these three sound. Okay? So just for information, we have around 108 different sound. Okay? Usually we will only learn 30 consonants, right? But I'm today introducing you 108 different sound, all coming under these three categories. Hmm? Okay? Let's. So that's why I'm saying these three are very important. Okay? Hmm? So if you look when I say or when you try to say ah, ah, if you notice there is no air coming out, no aspiration coming out, and throat is very small, squeeze in ah, ah, like this. How goes one? Very good. There. Then when I say this one, or when you try to say the second one, ah, ah, you can notice the very strong air coming out. How goes one? Like this. Then when you say ah, ah, we will notice that the slow and very thin air coming out. Ah, if you put your hand over the mouth, ah, very slow air coming out. When you say ah, strong air coming out. When you say ah, no air coming out. That's you have to keep that in mind, the mouth movement and the sound. How goes one? That's it. Very good. I'm gonna saying this again and again because these three are very important. How goes one? And then you will, all of your pronunciation will depend on these three, whether you know them well or not. Okay? That's it. Then we learn some sound that belongs to these categories. Okay? For example, yesterday we learned sa, this letter, right? Sa, like this. Okay? Then we learned here the ah category. Ra, ma, pa, like this. Okay? If you have already learned a little bit before, and I have noticed so many uh, people I walked with, they say ba, ba, ba. It's not ba, okay? It's soft. Pa, pa, like this. If you notice when you say ba, there is no air coming out almost. So that's wrong. You need slow air coming out when you say pa, like this. Okay? That's it. So if you have already have this uh, mistake habit, you can realize it and change it. That's it. Payable. Then what we learned? We learned four vowels. Okay? Kiku, the on the top one, we call them kiku, and it makes E sound, right? On the bottom one, we have shapku, shapku, oo sound. It makes oo sound. Okay? Then we have Dengpo with no hook. Kiku has hook. Dengpo has no hook, if you notice. Remember? Dengpo, A sound, A sound. Okay. Then we have here Naro on the top of the sa. We see Naro like an eagle flying. That makes O sound, O sound. Hagosuma, that's it. Hmm? Now let's try practice, okay? I have shown you here, till now we have learned sa, ra, ma, pa, then three root sound. That's it, okay? If you notice here, that's it. Tainda, practice inda. Yeah, susi lunala inda. Dilorona. Let's try. Hmm?
Sa kiku si.
That's it. Sa,
Sa
kiku, si. Pay up.
si. Ajá. Sa shapkyu su. Sa drempo se. Sa naro so.
That's it. Peabuloso. Very good. Susila. Tujiche. Olaso. Teneya. Bimala in the Bimala. Try chetan. Bema. Bema rebe. Last.
Okay. Ra gigu ri.
Pea.
Ra shapkyu ru. Ra drempo re. Ra naro ro.
That's it. Pea. Tujiche. Bimala. Immediately she realized. Ra. She lowered it. That's it. Because you know. Ha. Ha. That's it. Agosuma. Very good. Pea.
You
Yeah,
you
tene
can
Adamla in the Adamla.
It's okay.
okay.
Be
uh,
ready.
Ma kegu mi. Ma shabju mu. Ma tengbo me. Ma naro mo.
That's it. Pea buloso. Tujiche. Lasso. Tene Dawala in Dawala.
Also, sorry. Pa kikupi, pa shapkyupu, pa jingbo pe, pa naro po.
Pea buloso. That's it. Pea buloso. That's it. Pea. Lasso. Tene ya. Imogin la in the Imogin la. Di Lorona. Di Karide. Lasso.
I do have.
Mm-hmm.
Ha kigu hi.
Di.
Huh?
Di. Di. Di Lorona. That's it. These four, the highlighted one. Can you try to read them?
Oh yeah. I thought you wanted me to do kigu shabju jumbu. No.
Mare mare.
Ha ma pa.
That's it. Ah, ra, ma, pa. That's it. Very good. Tujiche. Lasso. Very good. Then we go back to the previous lesson. We learned few words. Okay? Let's try if we forget or not. Yeah. Miki legala inda. Miki legala inda. Tashi deleg mikila. Mikila di karire. Di
Sa.
karire.
Sa.
Peabo sa. Di karire.
Ri.
Ri. Ri.
Ri. Ri.
Konsure.
Amma.
Peabo. That's it. Yeah. Yeah, the name Mikila in the Mikila. Mikila di karere.
So.
Yeah. Di
Re.
re mare di ra
Ra.
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 Ale Miki di Miki. The second Miki. First Miki, third song. Last tujiche. Huh? Yeah, second Mikila di in the.
So,
Huh?
ra,
Yeah.
me,
That's it. Ma, tempo, me. That's it. Yeah. Tujiche Mikila. Thank you. That's all. Tine Candice la in the. Candice la di karere.
Poo.
Peako. Boo marida. Poo. Soft.
Poo.
Oh. Di karere.
Sa.
Peako. Di.
Ra.
Peako. That's it. Peako. Pronunciation. Peako do. All of us did very well. That's all. Peako. Yeah. That in Bruce la in the. Bruce la. Bruce la. Di karere. Bruce la. Kongsure.
Ama.
Ama. That's it. Any di karere.
Me.
Can you try one by one?
Yes. Mo kiku me.
That's it. Ma,
Ma
kiku,
kiku
mi.
me.
That's it. As we know, there are more than 7 billion me in the world. Ako semua? Me. Person. Human. Okay? Please write it down whenever the new word comes up. Ako semua? Lasso, ma, kiku, me. Like this. Tujiche Brusla. Thank you. Lasso. Teneya yongla in the yongla. Yongla dilorona.
Yes, sir. Pa, chap chu, pu,
Peako pa shapkyu pu peako. Di
pa, chap chu, pu, ma, naro, mo,
that's it.
pu, mo.
That's it. Pumo peako. Peako losong yongla tujiche. Very good. That is pumo. Boy, girl, male, female. Could be anything, depend on situation. Ako sunga? You can use in both situation. 부모, 빼고. 투지체. So the new word we have 마, 기쿠, 미. 바, 샵규, 부. 마, 나로, 모, 부모. Right? Very well. 빼고. 투지체. Dine ya 당노이라 인다. 당노이라. Sorry.
Yes.
Tashi Dalek Danoila Dilorona. Can you read the highlighted ones?
Yes. Ma Kigumi
Fair.
Pa Chapkyu Pu Sa
Mm-hmm.
Ra
Mm-hmm.
Ta Naro So
Mm-hmm.
Ama
Mm-hmm.
Pa.
That's it. Fair. Danoila Tujiche. Lasso. Teneya Sonam Dorkarla. Try chigi imbe. Sonam Dorkarla. Inda.
pa, shakyu, po,
Pu.
pu, pu,
Mm.
ma, de, naro,
Mm.
mo, pomo,
Pumo. Pumo.
pumo,
Mm.
ra, kiko, ri,
That's it.
sa, naro, so,
Sa.
sa,
Naro. So.
sa, naro, so,
Mm.
ra,
Mm-hmm.
마, 덴보, 메,
빼하고 로송.
바, 샵규, 포,
우, 우,
푸, 우,
부, 부.
바, 샵규, 푸,
That's it. 빼하고.
라, 키쿠, 리,
That's it. 빼하고 손음 들어갈라. 빼하고 로송. All you need to do is this is U sound. 하고 송아
오케이.
샵규 우. That's it.
샵규, 우, 오케이.
마 샵규 무. 바 샵규 부. 라 샵규 루. Like this. 빼하고 로송. Thank you very much. That's all. Las. Ya, está inda. Tiene Pedrola inda. Pedrola. Pedrola, di carere.
Hello.
Lasso, tashi delek
Okay.
Pedrola, di carere.
Sa.
Sa. That's it.
Sa.
Pero. Di carere.
Me.
Can you read one by one?
Ma. Tempo me.
That's it. Ma tempo me. Pero. Tujiche, Pedrola. Thank you. Tene ya shirab wangmola inda. Di carere.
따, 나로, 소,
Pero. Sa. Naru. So. Di carere.
라,
Pero. Ra. Thank you. Tujiche. Lasso. Tene ya Mariana. Mariana la inda. Mariana la. Di carere.
지, 리레, 라,
Mhm.
샵큐, 리,
Ra khari.
샵큐,
Shabkyu mare. Shabkyu urwa.
코,
Ra kiku urwa. Kiku. Yes, kiku. Hago sunga. Oh yeah. Ra kiku ri. That's it.
라, 키쿠, 리,
That's it. Peo. Tini di logro na.
아,
Ah,
마,
Rba. A ma. Ama. Like this.
아마,
Like this. Peo. Thank you very much, Mariana la.
와서,
So, tini ya Lucas la inda. Lucas la. Try chita. Lucas la trashi delek.
Ashidalek.
So, yeah,
Um,
di karere. Di karere.
okay. Sorry. Ha Shapju Pu.
That's it. Pero. Di karere.
Um, um, Ha Shapju Pumo.
Mari pa shapkyu pu. Ani. Then, Lucas la. Yeah.
Naromo.
No, ma, naro, mo. That's it. Pa shapkyu pu. Ma, naro, mo. Pu, mo. Like this. Now goes na. Pero. Tujiche, Lucas la. That's it. Rest of us can also practice in the mute. Agosma, lasso, peagosum. That's it. That's it. Tene ya fang fang la inda, fang fang la. Fang fang la, di karere,
di pare,
peago, di,
di mare,
ma mare, ma.
ma,
Hmm?
kure, ma,
Di karere,
a,
peago, di,
ra,
o lasso, di karere,
sa,
peago, di,
ha,
di,
a,
peago, fang fang la, peago.
Tujiche.
Tujiche. As we can see, she read them perfectly. We can imitate. Agosma, lasso, peago. Tujiche. Olha, yeah, tene Olga la inda, Olga la. 올갈라, 디 카레레. 올갈라, 타시델레. 올갈라,
다시 들리.
라소,
아, 아,
레레.
아,
디 카레레. 올갈라.
하,
오, 예.
하,
디,
아,
빼,
아,
빼하고. 아,
아,
like this. When you say the third one, your throat becomes big and
어,
like this. Oh, like this. Ruba. Like this. 투지체 올갈라 빼하고 숭숭. 라sso. As we can see here. No air, no aspiration. Strong air. Ruba. Slow air. Like this. Okay? 빼하고 look. 야, 되네. We have also new words here, but if you know, it's good. No, don't know, I will explain it. 하고서 야, 헬게라인다. 헬게라. try 치기인데. 헬게라, 디 가리레.
It's A,
아,
A.
디,
I don't remember exactly.
uh-huh. 사.
I'm sorry. Sa,
That's it, no problem.
yeah.
사.
Sa,
That's it. 디, 아,
A,
디, 사.
Sa,
Now 디, 빠.
Pa,
빠.
Pa.
That's it. Like a papa, like this. Parrot. Sorry, in English they don't say pa clearly. They have more like a fa like this, right? But it's pa here, okay? Like this. 빼하고 헬게라 투지체 올라서. 아, 싸, 빠.
A,
We can write
Sa,
down.
Pa.
That's it. 빼요. We can write down pa here. This is our new sound today. 하고서 pa like this. 사, like this. 빼요. 그래서 두지치 되네 헤딜라인다. 헤딜라 디 카레레.
Ma.
빼고 마. That's it. 디 카레레 헤딜라.
La.
디 나레 나.
Na.
어?
Sorry. Yeah.
빼요. 디
Na.
카레레 헤디.
This is la.
라. That's it. 빼하고 숭숭 두지치. As we can see, we can imitate 헤딜라. 마, 나, la here. Okay? If you don't know how to write down, there will be how to write coming in the next page. 하고서 마, 나, 라, like this. 빼고. 도지치. 되네야 이나라인다. 이나라.
Is
이나라 디
ka.
카레레.
Di ka.
디,
Da.
디,
Pa.
빼고 파, 빼요. 투지치 이나라. As we know, this is pa. We have pu, pumo, like this word. Already saw it. Then we have new here. 가, 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 가. Like this. 하고서 빼고. Thank you very much. So, there is no car here. So let's go back. And yeah, let's try to write this new word down, okay? While you write down, please read them at simultaneously. Agosma. So here, ka, ka, ka. Then we have here, ha, ha, like this. For example, here you always write the top line, always first here. Then start from the left, like this. Okay? That's how you write. Always from the top, here. Then left. Start from the top, then left. How goes one? Ka, ha, ha. Like this. There. Then we have ma, na, la. Here. Okay? We have na and la here. Always start from the top, then left. Top, left, then right. Like this. We have here pa. Okay, start from the top, small line, right, left, then right. Pa, sa, ah, like this. Yeah. So from category, today we learned pa, this one, okay, new one. From we learned few. We learned na, we learned la, we learned ha also. Then we learned ka, like this. I will send this link in the group chat. Open it, practice it after the class. How goes ma? When you practice pronunciation, put them in the group like this and then practice it. So, yeah, tene di in the iPhone la in the iPhone. iPhone la tashi delek. iPhone la try checking there. Hello. Yeah, tene di in the ana vakla in the ana vakla. Yeah. Tashi delek ana vakla di logro nang.
A, ra, ma, na, la, da, ka, pa.
Perfect pronunciation. Pe abuloso. Tujiche, lasso. Oh, lasso. Tene ya, Caterina la inda. Di logro nang.
다시 들래.
Tashi delek.
사, 파.
Sa, pa, not pa.
빠.
Pa.
사, 빠.
That's it. That one. Pa. That's it.
왔어.
Pe song. That's it. Tujiche, Caterina, lasso. Now we go back to the textbook. Okay. Let's try reading. And when there is a new word, write down and draw on the side. It's best. Ruyun lainda. Ruyun hui lainda. Di karire.
Di lire.
Can you read one by one for us?
라, 기구, 리.
빼고 라, 기구, 리. Like this. We eat 리. 그러와? 리 하고 송아 빼고. 되네 딜로로나 루유라.
빠, 샵규, 뿌. 가, 샵규, 쿠. 빠쿠.
뿌쿠. 뿌.
뿌쿠.
그러와?
뿌쿠.
Puku, any kid,
뿌쿠.
boy or girl, doesn't matter. Kid or child. Agosuma, puku, puku, pero. That's it. Teneya dilorona, ruyula.
라, 나로, 로, 마. 로마.
That's it. La narulo, ma, loma. That's it. Loma de. Agosuma. Tujichi, ruyula. Olas, las. Yeah, tene. Katerina la in the dilorona. Yeah.
D. Ka shapju ku ra kur.
빼고 가샵규쿠 라 쿨 하고서만 쿨네 디쿨이 빼요 야 드네 딜러로나
D. Debre.
응?
Da kiku. Da dengbo de ba dep.
다 댕보테 대
Pa.
빼요 응? 드네 딜러로나 대 응?
D. Mikre.
응?
Ma kiku mi ka mik.
응? 마 기쿠미 가믹 빼요
Tujichi.
투지치 게들리나 like this 빼요 we're doing very well 응? 마 기쿠미 가믹 다 댕보 대파 가 샵규 구라 kur like this 하고서만 then we have here 라 기쿠 리 그봐 then we have 빠 샵규 뿌가 샵규 구 뿌쿠 like this okay 빠 샵규 뿌가 샵규 구 뿌쿠 like this okay then we have 라 나루 로 마 로마 like this you don't need to mark up or memorize the meaning if you know how to read them properly good enough 하고서 read them write them say them properly meaning I can remind you again and again no problem 하고서 that's all like this yes Tawala
Sometimes pugu we see as pashapkyu pu, but sometimes we see it pa ratata shapkyu tu.
yes
In the same picture.
True, I will accept it. But Pashapyu had come from later when the pronunciation was not pronounced well in Tibetan community. They came up with the new spelling of Puku. So it's
Puku.
very gender specific when you say Puku. There is no Puku like this. It was made later. So we say Puku as a kid.
Puku.
Gender neutral. 하고 like this. Very good. Yeah. That puku is came from Amdo accent, I think. 하고 like this. Fail. Puku like this. pa shapkyu pu. Ka shapkyu ku. Puku. How goes one? We did well. Lasso. Okay, here. We have here. Yeah. Pa. As you can see, top, right, no, left, top, then left, then goes to the right. That's how you do it. Top, left, right. How about one? We have pa, ka, tha, la. Like it. Oh, here. When you write down, try to read it so that you can connect the sound and shape together. How about one? Like this. Ka, ha, la. Then we have pa here. Okay? Fail. Tujiche, thank you. I will go to the next page. Yeah. Tene di inda. Susila di karire. If you can tell this without looking at the letter. Di karire, Susila. You can look at your note, no problem.
La narolo ma loma.
That's it. La naru lo ma loma. Pepo. Tuji che susila.
Loma.
Tene ya Adam la inda. Adam la di karire.
The cheese red.
Cheese mare di butter re. Cheese.
Oh, the butter red.
Butter la. We have word here. Okay, we can write down ma, ra. Can you read this, Adam?
Mar. Ma. Ma. Ra. Mar.
Very good, Adam la tujiche. If we can notice, we didn't say ma, ra, mara. We said mar. Why we read them together? Why we read the others separately?
There's no chick thing.
That's
the
it.
Ma. Yeah.
When you see the tsek or that dot after the letter, you have to read them separately. When you see two letters together without dot or three letters, you have to read them together. Akosuma, ma, ra, mar, like this. That's it. We call them tsek. I saw that some of our friends are talking that in the group chat about tsek. Akosuma, that's it. The ma, ra, mar. We read them together because there is no tsek between them. That's the only reason. That's it. Then we have here ma, ra, mar, like this. Okay, there. Okay, then I think this is also new one. So I will say the word, try to imagine the spelling. If you can think, imagine it. Okay? Are you ready? Look. 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 We have already Ra with the goat. Remember? Meh, Ra. Now this. Look. Look. Meh, like this. How goes on? Oh yeah. Look. Now let's go back and see if we imagine it right. Okay? Yeah, Bimala in there. Can you read this? Bimala.
La, chapkyu, lu, ka, look.
That's it. La, Shapkyu, Lu, Ka, look. That's it. Okay. Now you can see. You must have imagined La when I say look. Then you can imagine Shapkyu. Maybe Ka is some can imagine, some cannot. No problem. What we know now. Look. How goes on? Yeah, very good. Look. La, Shapkyu, Lu, Ka, look. Yeah. Very good. Then I will say this. You see the road here, the path. Agosuma. You might have heard this word because you all are Buddhist student. See if you can imagine it. Okay? Lam, 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 lam. Lam, lam. See if you can see, imagine it. You heard this word, lam, as a pet. Gomlam, tonglam, jorlam. Ram in the Yoruba, lam. Lamrin. We have a book, Pecha called Lamrin. Right? Like this. Now let's see if we imagine it correctly. Yeah, di inda. Miki laga dek inda. Yeah, di lorona.
La, ma, lama.
Oh, there is no dot between them, so we have to read them
Lam,
together.
lam.
That's it. You already got it. La, ma, lam. This one, most of us, I imagine, we could imagine this word. Easy. La, ma, lam. That's it. Fair. Tujiche. Very good. Okay. Rasu. Then we have here. Oh, I love this. I eat this every morning. We Tibetan call it. Are you ready? See if you can imagine it. Pak lep. Pak lep. You will notice there is two syllables here. Pak lep. Pak lep. Pak lep. Okay. Now we go to the word and see if we can. Here. Yeah. Candisla in the Candisla. Yeah. Dilorona.
Pa ka pak la jambule pa lip pak lip.
That's it. Pakleb. Peakuloson. Tujiche Candisla. As we can see, She read like pa, ka, pak, one thing. La, tengbo, le, pa, lep, one thing. Then together, pak, lep, like this. 하고 중아 빼하고. 두지치, candice la. That's it.
Tenzin,
Yes, please.
We have two different colors here. One
Yes.
more stronger and the other a little lighter. Does it have any sense?
Which one? Like a paklep?
The first letter, pa, is more higher in color. It's darker than ga. Ga is lighter.
Okay.
And the same in the second syllable. The first is darker, the second is lighter. Does it mean anything?
I understood. So if you look at here, when you say pak, when I say pak, what is the first sound come in our mind? It's pa. 하고서 if you imagine the main lead dancer and then side dancer we have like this. Because mostly we see main dancer more than side dancer. So it's like this. Main sound is pa. That's why we hear it more. Ka is suffix, like a side. So it's a little bit less than pa. That's the only reason. In the second one, when you say lep, you can see main character is la. Then pa is side dancer. Lep. Like this. If I must say the term ka here, pak. Pa is the main sound, ka is the suffix. The letter that comes after the main sound is always suffix. Okay? Yeah, that's it. La is main sound, pa is suffix here. That's just introduction. We don't need to know now. The paklep. That's it. If you know how to read this now, that's good enough. And say it. Paklep. That's it. Peago. We learned today, look here. La, shakyu, lu, ka, look. Okay? We hear ma, ra, mar. Paklep, mar. In the morning. Like this. Then we have here lam, la, ma, lam. Like this. Then we have here loma, la, naro, lo, ma, loma. Like this. Then we have here paklep, pa, ka, pak, la, dengpo, le, pa, lep, paklep. Like this. Okay? Very good. Now, we need to keep in our mind is when there is no dot between two letters or three letters, you have to read them together. When there is a dot, then you have to read separately. That's it. And three main root sound and some of the sound. And vowel. That's it. Lasso. Okay. Let's practice. Yeah. As we can see here, ma kiku becomes here. The first answer here already given. Ma kiku me like this. Crisscross. Okay. Let's try this. Yeah. Ruyun lainda. Dilotang. Di karere.
Ma. Ama.
That's it. Ama we have here. There. Tujichi. Hene Olga lainda. Olga la. Di logrona. Di karere.
다.
Mm-hmm.
dimple. 대. 파. 대파. 탭.
That's it. Ta, dimpo, te, pa, tap. That's it. Yeah, very good. We have here ta, dimpo, te, pa, tap. Yeah, tujichi, orgala. Tene ya shirab wangmola inda. Shirab wangmola dilogona.
Stop 핑물. 파, 가, 파, 라, 링볼레, 발레, 발레,
Paklep.
발레,
We have here Redua Pa Ka Pak La Dingpo Le Pa Lep Paklep. Well, Tujiche Sharabomula. Thank you. Lasso. Oh yeah. Now let's guess. Yeah. Mickey la inda. Mickey B la inda. Mickey la. Di karire.
라. look.
La.
가.
La ka lakre. Look mare. This one is la ka lak, right? So you are saying look. What is missing here? One vowel, right? Shabkyu. Okay? Like this. If you have no shabkyu, this will be lak. La ka lak. That's it. Because there is shabkyu here, it becomes look. That's it. It's very good. You made mistake. Now you realize. That's it. La shabkulu ka look. That's it. Meh. Thank you. Tujiche Mikila. Teneya. Olga Dixon. Tene. Yongla inda. Yongla di karire.
Ma, iku, ka, mi.
Very good. Very good. But you miss one here. Ma, kiku, mi, ka, mik. That's how you read it. How goes ma?
Mi, ka, mi.
That's it. Ma, kiku, mi, ka, mik. Like this. How goes ma? The way you read it is like ma, kiku, mi, ma, kiku, ka, mik. You didn't say me. Ma, kiku becomes me, then ka, mik. Like this. How goes ma? We have to keep that habit. 하고서 reading one by one. 도지체 용라. 되네야. 당노일라인다. 디 가리래.
La na lo ma.
That's it. La, naro, lo, ma, loma. That's it. Fair. I read them separately because as we can see, the dot after each letter. 하고서 if there is no dot, we read them as lom. 하고서 투지체 당노의 라페야 올로손 로마. That's it. Tene sonam dorkarla ida. Sonam dorkarla di karire.
Lam.
Can you read
La.
one?
Ba. Lam.
That's it. La, ma, lam.
Lam.
투지체 빼고 송송. Now here we see hand here, okay? We don't know what we call in Tibetan. I will say it. from my mouth one by one. See if you can write it down by listening to my voice. Okay? Are you ready? So, in the la, ka, lak. La, ka, lak. La, ka, lak. Now you got the first part. Now the second part. Pa, pa, lak, pa, lak, pa. La, ka, lak. Pa, lak, pa. Like this. When I say la, ka, lak, I'm reading them together, right? La, ka, lak, pa, lak, pa. Like this. Okay? Now see if you got it. I will write it down here. Okay? I said la, ka, lak. La, ka, lak. Then pa, lak, pa. That's it. Boom. Now you can see if you got it right, very good. If you didn't got right, no problem. Notice your listening skill and recognize the sounds. Agosma, that's it.
Excuse me.
Yes, please.
I don't get the right sound between pa and pa. How do you say it?
Yes, very good. Very good question. So then always we go back to 3 root sound. Okay? If you look at here, pa is here. Pa is a category. Okay? Then the one you are asking here, pa here. A category. Now if I read them together, pa, 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 pa. Totally different, you can see. Agosma. That's it. Please keep these 3 in the mind, which category it is. You will never face problem with the pronunciation. Agosma, like this. Well, so tujiche. So here, la, ka, lak, pa. I said pa. I didn't say pa. Like this. So you will know. Agosma. Very good. Well, tujiche. Now we know this already. Many of us know this already, but I know that we pronounce it wrong. So today I'm gonna make it right. Tibetan pronunciation for this. Mok mok. Mok mok. I hear them say momo momo like this. Mok mok. Mok mok. Like this. Mok mok. Okay. Mok mok. Peshimbo. Mok mok. Yeah, that's again the ma, naro, mo, ka, mok. Ma, naro, mo, ka, mok. Mok, mok. Like this. Agosma? Oh yeah. Peyaguduk. Lasso. Yeah, Pedrola, can you read this for us?
Ma narumu ka. Ma narumu ka. Mok mok.
Ma narumo ka mok. Ma narumo ka mok. Mok mok. That's how you read it. Agosma.
Okay.
Yankyat,
Okay.
you wanna try again? Pedrola.
Okay. Ma narumu ka mok. Ma narumu ka mok. Mok mok.
That's it. Mok mok.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tujiche Pedrola. Thank you. Yeah, tene Mariana la inda. Mariana la di logrona.
Which one?
The highlighted.
Mm-hmm. Lakpa. Lakpa. Lakpa.
That's it. Peapo. Lakpa. Peapo. Tene Lucas la inda. Lucas la di thang di logrona. These two. Di thang di. Lucas la Trashidelek. Ale Lucas la yosamare. Laso. Tene fang fang la yin. Fang fang la. Di thang.
Di look play. La shapu lu ka look.
Peapo. La shapulu kaluk. Di.
Di mik play. Ma kikumi ka mik.
That's it. Ma kikumi kami. Peapo. Thank you. Laso. Tene. Yeah. Helgela in the Helgela. Helgela di thang di logrona.
La Narolo.
That's it. That's it. La.
And you have Ma.
That's it.
Lam? No, Lama. No, no. Oh, I fell off.
No problem. No problem. Huh? Loma.
Loma.
Roa, you just add them together. La, naru, lo. We got lo. Then ma. We got ma. Together, loma. Like this. Spell. Tujiche, helgela. Di lorona, helgela. Di karire.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
La. And second is
Mare. Ma.
yes, so La. Oh, yeah. Lam.
That's it. La, ma, lam. That's it. Yeah. Very good. Tujiche, helgela. Very good try. Peago. Lasso. Hola, so tene. Yeah. We will not learn any more new words, okay? This much is okay. We will go back and see what we learn, okay? From a category, we learn sa, pa, like this. From sa, we learn word like so and sa, like this. From pa, we learn like lakpa, like this. The word including pa. Then we learned ra, ri. We also learned ra kikuri. We learned ra, meh. Ma here, ma dengpo me. Fire. Ma kiku me, 7 billion me. Okay? Then we learned la. Then we learned from la, we learned look. La shapku lu ka look. We learned tha also. Tha dengpo te pa tep. story tab, dung tab. Remember? Then we learn pa here. Pak, lep. Pa, ka, pak. We learn like this. Remember? Then we learn ka, shapkyu, ku, ra, kur. Remember? Then we have pa here. Okay? If you want to practice reading, try add all the vowels one by one. For example, here, Rakikuri, Rashakuru, Radengpore, Ranaruro. That's how you practice reading and writing. Agosma? That's it. Payamo. Tujishe. That's it for today. I'm gonna stop here, okay? If you have question, you can ask me in the WhatsApp or here, okay? No problem. Then please, as I mentioned, practice well, not too much, little bit every day. Too much, not good. Please don't do too much homework. Just little bit, okay? That's it. Ani tukje che trashit delek sayonara tata bye bye. Lasu.
Tujiche.
Ashidelek.
Tukje.
Bye.
Tujhe.
Tele.
Ni bye bye. Lasu.
Tujiche semjanango.
Janango. Lasu.
Simjanango.
Text in the group chat. Please practice it. Agosuma. Lasu.
Agoson.
Lasu. Ni bye bye.
Tujiche.